Follow the steps on how to remove the white lines that appear after cutting out objects in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate. Then select Subject. Make mask. Select this layer and add a solid black color. If zoomed in, you can see the white lines that we have to remove. The way is, click the mask thumbnail, then go to Filter, Other, and select Minimum. Set the radius sufficiently. And set Preserve to roundness. Double-click here to adjust the feather on the edge. You can add levels to adjust the light and dark of the color to match the background. Group this layer to see the before and after results. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.